Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an HDR, a high dynamic range effect in DaVinci Resolve. This effect enhances the contrast and colors in your videos, making it look more vibrant and professional. So let's get started. First, click on the Color tab at the bottom of the screen to access the Color Wheels panel. Here you'll find a different control to adjust the brightness, the contrast, and the color saturation of your video. Then also to increase the shadows and highlights, increase it through moving the shadow slider up to brighten the darker areas of your video slightly. And also for the highlights, decrease the highlight slider to reduce the overly bright areas to create a balanced exposure. Then, locate the contrast slider and increase its value until the highlighted areas darken slightly. These steps help to define the details on your footage, making it appear more dynamic. And finally, increase the saturation slider to enhance the colors in your video. These steps helps create a more vivid and eye-catching look. And that's it. Now you know how to add an HDR effect in your DaVinci Resolve to make your videos look more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.